Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well and welcome to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre video game. Now truth be told, I haven't actually seen the film, but I am aware of it. I'm also aware of the true story that it's based on. I've also been aware of the game for a little while, like I'd seen on YouTube shorts and whatnot, but I received it as a surprise Christmas present, so I thought I'd check it out. But anyway, that's enough of me talking, on to the video. Alright, let's go. There's some nice, I feel like there's some nice cinematography for this main menu screen. With the house and the dark grass and lots of sky. It looks kind of cool. Liking it so far. Should probably do tutorials first. Playing as Sonny. Alright, what's Sonny's deal? Farm life in the rural Westland, that's Connie. Sonny might have a smaller frame, but he more than makes up for it with his quick decision making and high intellect. He's book smart, perceptive, and exceptionally aware of his surroundings at all times. His heightened sensibility helps him identify and track the movement of anyone nearby, which can not only save Sonny's life, but his fellow victims as well. Okay, I think I might like Sonny. Stay quiet and hidden. Your condition is deteriorating. You must escape. I thought that was like a gameplay mechanic warning. I was going to say, what? But we just started. And we're out.
Just keep your head clear.
I'm going to stick with this person. Ooh, health. No, they're not hurt, so should be fine. Can I get a bone? Oop. Okay, I think they've gone away, but it's alright. I'll catch up. Well, that's quite early to be doing that, you know. Pretty early to be bringing a Leatherface in, you know. I'm just thinking, might be a little early for me to be bumping into you. Ooh. Oh, how about we go? Oh. Yeah, me too, but a bit more so at the moment. I hope I'm okay. Okay, I thought I had to stand still for Grandma. I guess not anymore. But tell you what though. Oh, of course it does. Of course I can't open that door. It'd be too easy if I could. Oh, it's extra sprint. Yeah, was someone dead already? Or was she already there?
Stay strong. Gotta find the others.
Oh, I need an unlock tool. I need an unlock tool. Yep. Let's get through there. I need an unlock tool. Oh, yeah, I'm not doing very good at this. I also just realized that to use my ability, I have to press R1. Good thing I got health! Oh, do I have to stop moving to use it? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna try Sunny again, because I feel like I feel like he's got potential. Open the doors. Literal! So apparently Connie can, like, insta-unlock doors. So I kind of feel like... Because I'm assuming I'm going to be alone for most of this game. Might be a good idea. Because, I mean, if I'm with someone else, maybe Leland... I suppose Leland can be selfish. Like, if I'm at the end, I could rugby charge into the enemy to stun him and then run off. But I'm going to try Connie just because... Again, insta-unlock doors. You can't be serious. Already? No, come on. Come on, come on. Let's just not have this. Let's not have this, come on. I'm not going to be spotted already. We just started. Come on. There's no way that the Leatherface is that quick. No, I don't care. I don't care. I don't see any yellow. That means they're not close enough. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Okay, sod that. Don't really know why I turned on, but... I'm just interacting with the map. Oh. I need a toolbox. Toolbox. Ha! Ha! What? What? Ha!
I can't get through.
Boop. Okay. Unlock tool. Okay, I'm not keen on that, so I'm gonna go through there, and I'm gonna drop back down into the well! No! Ow, 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 back into the well. Into the well. Into the well.
Did they hear me?
In the hole, in the hole. Can I get in the hole, please? Thank you. Thank you! Fine. Okay, guess not. No, it's too late. Ow. Oh my... What is the point? Okay, let's try the family. Might as well. Who knows? Maybe playing. Who knows? Maybe being the family. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe the family are easier to play as than the victims.
In various states of mutilation, authorities believe the carcasses are from packs of wandering wild dogs, which are most likely to be around. Caution to refrain from consuming any water sourced from the reservoir and beyond.
Oh, I just realised. So characters who aren't characters who aren't selected are just victims in the opening cutscene. Oh, okay. I think that's quite cool, actually. It's a really cool way of including character. It's a really cool way of including every character, even if they're not being played. That's really cool. Okie doke.
Damn kids. Where'd they
What does this
go?
do? Okay. Okay, Grandpa's awake. And I start outside, eh? Right, where's Grandpa? Grandpa's over there. Can I run? I cannot run. How do I attack people? To R2? Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Do my little weird run jog thing. Hello, Grandpa.
Fresh as it gets. Drink up now.
Okay, that might be a bit off, but that's alright. Tell you what, isn't alright. The basement exit opening. Some more blood. Yeah, some more blood.
Come on now. You know I can't let you leave.
I've got teammates. They'll take care of the victims. Okay, so maybe we were not able to stop everyone. What? There you are. Come here.
Alright. Take it out.
Yes! Come here!
Don't worry. You're supposed to be a tough one around here. They are making a fool out of
Wait, no, I wasn't supposed to open that, no! Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Yes! We got one of them, though! Let's try Leatherface. Why not? And they got the DLC character. Ooh! And we got the DLC character. Ooh! Try. Great. I don't like the fact that I don't like the fact that all three of us. Oh, all three of us. That's not good. Where the hell's Grandpa? Come here. Oh, hello. Yes! Yes! Come on! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna fall over! Where are you gone? Where are you gone? Where are you gone? Ooh, hello.
Your fear. It's holding you back.
I see you. Oh, I'm not really sure what your game plan was. I mean, also, I'm not really sure what mine was neither. Like, I kind of just...
You know what happens to bodies when you plant them? They help them out.
No! I just... That's quite funny. I was like, no! Grandpa's in danger! I look over, I just see Sissy teabagging someone, so I'm like... Alright, I'm guessing we won. Right, so that was the Texas Chainsaw Massacre video game. Pretty brutal, and yeah, I got a lot of learning to do. Much learning to do. But anyway, guys, that's it for the video. I'll see you all whenever I see you. Goodbye, everybody!